Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez or Kezia, whatever you feel like calling me today. I hope you're all doing well. We have a beautiful wig to talk about today and install. Pretty easy install. The wig comes ready to wear. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Amanda Hair. I don't know who Amanda is, but she's doing her thing over there and I'm here for it. We've collaborated a bunch of times on my channel. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 highlight brown undetectable transparent lace. So I'm guessing that's a mixture between HD and transparent lace. This is in the texture loose waves.
He smiles wide. He's the center of attention now, and he feels good about it. And she takes a bow, 'cause she's the center of attention now, and she feels good about it. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, 'cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it, what everybody seem to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away.
First thing I'm gonna do is cut off some of this lace because I can't see. Okay, that's more like it. Are there any combs? Yes, a comb. I'm gonna cut the lace off first. I feel like this is one of those wigs where I need to trust the process. Like once we get there, in the end, it's gonna be gorge. But right now, it's looking kind of crazy because we ain't gonna be caught in these streets with some light lace. No, ma'am. That's better. I secured the comb. With doing that, it kind of just holds the wig in place. You can wear it like this if you wanted. We're not doing that. Okay, I feel like it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be a vibe. But first, we must secure the lace.
I might as well be on the move.
I'm gonna wait until that gets tacky. Let's see. Okay, I'm happy with that. There's definitely some curtain bangs going on here. I want to clean up my parts. I think the only parts that we really need to recurl is this part.
To be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. To be true, you don't come around here no more.
I'm gonna add some baby hairs here.
Go, you don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes, but I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy, but I'm way too deep now, I can't remember.
Fits very comfortably. When I put it on, it did fit perfectly ear to ear. What I love about Amanda Hair wigs is when you put them on, they actually look like you've styled them at a hair salon. All I did was recurl like 3 little sections, the curtain bangs, because it is a curtain bang wig as you can see, and a portion right here. But this is how the wig came curled and styled. Take in the highlights, y'all. She's giving auburn brown, chocolate brown. I think it's really pretty. Ooh, Whew, look at the highlights. Oh my goodness. It's placed everywhere you want the highlights to be. There's highlights everywhere. There's not a spot where there isn't any. I would highly recommend you guys check them out. I really love collaborating with them because I'm always blown away at how beautiful their wigs are. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. If there's a discount code, it's gonna be there as well, so don't forget to use that on checkout. You need one for the summer and fall because this is gonna be a great transitional wig for all seasons. This wig would be great for someone who's not into blonde wig but still wants to try a highlight color. It's gorgeous. I would say this wig would look good even on deeper skin tones. Can you imagine? I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another review real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.